Employee certifications can be managed under the Certifications tab in the employee record. It is important to understand that validation rules work in conjunction with this section to alert users when certifications are either incomplete or expired. The validation rules are managed in the Validations tab under the Configure Roles screen in Security. Checking the Enforced box is what makes the rule active in the system. If this is not checked for this role, then no alerts will be provided when the certification is incomplete or expired. If the rule is not overridable for the role, then staff are not able to perform any actions at the scheduler, the notes, the timesheets, and in billing until the certification has been completed or updated. To add a certification to the employee record, click Add and select the certification from the drop-down. Note that these certifications are pre-configured in the Configure desktop under the Employee section of the List Configuration screen. Enter in the date completed. This is the minimum date entry required in order to satisfy the validation requirements. If a certification is added to the employee record without this date, then a notification is thrown at Schedules, Notes, Timesheets, and Billing, alerting that the certification is incomplete. It is understood that since the certification is listed in the employee record, it is necessary to have in place before working with clients. Enter in the date expires. This is optional but encouraged if the certification must be renewed. The expiration date is used in conjunction with scheduling, notes, timesheets, and billing records. Based on the date of service at any given module, if the certification has expired, a notification will be provided, again per the user's security settings. The security settings, as already discussed, also determine if the message can be overridden or if the action is prevented from being entered. Note the three icons next to each certification record. The first one allows you to upload the corresponding certification documentation. Simply browse your computer for the file, select it, give it a description, and click Upload. The second icon allows you to add a task. This is where a task can be assigned to an employee with a reminder date as to when the certification may be expired or when a training class is being offered. The task will show up on the assignee's My Task dashlet in the dashboard. An email notification may also be provided if that option is enabled under the Options menu. And the final icon is the Delete icon. It is important to note that there is a report to manage when certifications expire in the Dashboard desktop under the Reports dashlet. It is called Employee Certifications. All of these control points add a lot of value for ensuring that employees have valid certifications in place when working with clients.